potential positive catalyst from that. Certainly the initial metallurgical or mineralogical work that we're working on to better understand the mineralisation, whether this would be amenable to be extracted at low cost in the future. Those are all positive catalysts for us, certainly in terms of just this project.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Tertiary Minerals Managing Director, Richard Belcher. Richard, very good to speak with you. The latest holes at Mushima North confirm a 350 metre by 300 metre mineralised footprint. How significant is this extension?
Yeah, thanks. It's great to be on the show again. It's very significant for us. These new results not only support that footprint that we have, which still remains open both in the north and the south and at depth, but these are again very good grades for us. They're consistent, wide intervals, very near surface mineralisation, consistent grades over those consistent widths, with also these high grade zones of silver as well, with the sort of 40, 50, 60 grams a ton over 10 to 20 meters within those zones. So it's very significant, and it really does support our model that we're working towards, which is this the potential for open cast, sort of near surface silver mineralisation.
I mean, you've also highlighted strong grade continuity and bulk tonnage potential, and I presume that also supports the open pit mining model.
That's right, yes. That's certainly what we're working towards at the moment. Zambia's got a long, successful history of open cast, small scale mining, and certainly this, certainly even with the area that we're working. So it's a great model for us to go towards, and these additional results continues to support that, and certainly now we're having mineralisation essentially almost at surface within 2 meters. So it's a very positive results.
Additional drill results and initial metallurgical work are pending. What are the key milestones investors should watch for in the coming months, Richard?
Yes, so we're only about halfway through the results in terms for the drill results for the drilling program. So we still got another, this is the second batch, so we still got another 3 batches to come out. So plenty more drill results. They're testing the along strike, so both to the north and south, which, as I said, remain open. So potential positive catalyst from that. Certainly the initial metallurgical or mineralogical work that we're working on to better understand the mineralisation, whether this would be amenable to be extracted at low cost in the future. Those are all positive catalysts for us, certainly in terms of just this project.
With Mushima North in Zambia's IOCG belt, how does this project fit within Tertiary's wider exploration portfolio and priorities, Richard?
Well, for us, it's certainly a high priority at the moment. We feel this is the best return on investment for our shareholders. But we do have the wider portfolio of projects in Zambia. We've got 2 very significant joint venture partners working on both our Konkola West and Mackay projects. Lots to play for in the future, but we're also looking at the best way to advance our other projects in the portfolio, not just in Zambia, but also in Nevada in the US. And that also includes, potentially, bringing in new joint venture partners to help push those forward as well.
Richard, I hope you'll keep us posted on progress across all those projects. Thanks very much for the update today.
Thank you very much. Great to chat again.
Tertiary Minerals Managing Director, Richard Belcher.